Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with another recipe. Today we will make Karnataka famous Vangi Bath. This is a perfect breakfast and the best. So let's begin. First, take a kadai and heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To this add 10 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seed, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon sesame seed. Saute all this well on low flame till there is a slight color change. Now add 2 tablespoons dry coconut and saute it. You can see the color has changed. Let's turn off the flame and let it cool. It has cooled. Now grind all this into a powder. I ground it. In Vangi Bath, this masala plays a major role in giving it a wonder taste. Here, I have taken this kind of 3 brinjals. Actually, on these brinjals are used in Vangi Bath. But if these are not available, you can use other brinjals also. In this bowl, I have taken half teaspoon turmeric powder. To this add 1 cup water and half teaspoon salt. Now cut the brinjal. Don't cut them too small. We will put them into this water. By putting them in this water, they don't turn dark. Similarly, we will cut them all and put them into the water. I have cut all the brinjals. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Let it flutter. Next add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing. To this add 2 green chilies and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Next add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and mix it once. Now add 15 cashew nuts and let's roast it till it become golden. It has turned golden. Now add the brinjals. Next add 1/4 cup green peas and salt as per your taste. Give it a mix. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box with their quantity. You can refer it. Now cover the vessel and let the vegetables get cooked. After 5 minutes, let's check. We will further cover and let it cook for another 2 minutes. It has been 2 minutes. Let's mix it once. Our vegetables are cooked well. Now add 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp and 1 tablespoon jaggery. And now we will add the masala that we made, the most important one. Now mix this evenly. It has mixed well. I have taken 2 cups of cooked rice. Add it and 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Mix it well. Avoid breaking the rice. Wangibath has mixed well. Let's turn off the flame now, and it's done. Wangibath is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Shri Radha Giridhari ji. Karnataka famous Wangibath is offered and ready. You can serve it with raita and honor prasadam. If you like to watch Bhoga recipes, stay connected to Krishna's Cuisine. If you like to watch the Bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.